Is it recording? I need some light. Turn on a light. Try to bury it. Maybe I should get a blanket and cover it up, but then it'll be buried. Put something over top of it for him.
Stop making fun of me.
Is it buried? Jordan, did you bury it?